Measuring for vertical blinds is simple. It's just 2 easy steps. In this short video, you will see just how easy it is to measure for an inside mount. Inside mount refers to a blind that is mounted on the inside of your window frame. This type of mount is by far the most common choice and is highly recommended. An outside mount is typically used in only 2 situations: if there are obstructions inside of your window frame, such as an alarm sensor, or if your window frame lacks sufficient mounting depth to hold your blind. Our website provides details on how much depth is required to install your blinds with an inside mount. In most cases, the depth that you will need is only a few inches. When measuring for any window covering, it's important to use a steel measuring tape and round to the nearest 1/8 of an inch increment. Your first step is to measure the inside width of your window where your shade will be mounted. Round down to the nearest 1/8 inch increment. This will be the width that you will order. Your second step is to measure the exact height of the window opening in 3 places: left, middle, and right. Choose the shortest of the 3 measurements. This is the height you will order. Now that you have completed these 2 simple steps, you're ready to place your order. It's that easy.